Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Here in the U.S., we have almost 50,000 homeless veterans, half of which have disabilities. We can do better. Help Badge pay it forward to our vets by placing your order at herosoapcompany.com using coupon code BADGE at checkout. That's coupon code BADGE. By doing so, you'll be helping contribute to solutions that help our valued veterans. Help Badge do what he does best. Help others.
Good morning, YouTubers, Rebel Watchers, everybody out there. I am still in Illinois, and Danny's here. She's shotgun right there. We're at a red light, and we are just leaving my homestead, my little property here, and well, where I stay, and we are headed to go meet up with my granddaughter, Stella, little Miss Stella, and Stella and I are going for a bike ride. Yeah, we're gonna go for a bike ride. Danny's going too. Danny loves to go bike riding. So I got Danny's pouch, and I've got my bike and my bike key. I gotta remember my bike key. I didn't have a bike key with my other bike. Yeah. We're hitting the road. It's a beautiful day here in Illinois, Elmhurst, Illinois. It's 76 degrees, and it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's gonna be a nice, cool day. Sunny, warm, but not too hot. The weather is going to be enjoyable. So we're gonna go pick up Stella, and I'm gonna change my glasses. Here we go. Keep on trucking, baby. Keep on trucking. Like that air, huh, Danny? Okay, now don't miss it. Look over to the left of my screen. I'm gonna slow down. Well, what is that guy up there? What is that? Well, this is what it is. This is one of the trolls located in Lisle, Illinois at the Morton Arboretum. There are 6 trolls along the trail. Join the troll hunt. Check it out. We're getting ready, huh?
Yes.
So, we are at Panera today. I'm having a bike ride. Hey, Danny, sit. I had a bike ride with my granddaughter and my son. And Danny, we all went bike riding. And now we're having Panera for lunch. But Danny is begging because Stella is eating a piece of bread and Danny wants some of it. Danny.
Danny.
Her little tail. Hey, Danny, come here. What do you want? Danny, what do you want?
Wants bread.
You want?
I want some of that bread, Mom. I want some of that bread that Stella's eating. More? I already gave her some.
Yeah, I know. She's spoiled. But we're having fun.
I'm gonna be nine, Grandma.
To be 9, Grandma. But she rides a bike like a pro. You do really well. How's your soup and your bread? A-okay. So we're just gonna finish up here, and then I'm gonna take Stella back home. We just might stop over there at that mountain, that Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. That's where they have those apples with the chocolate on it, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Right over there.
Caramel apples.
Yeah, I don't know if they're open though. Maybe we'll go check it out.
Yeah, they're
Me and my granddaughter and Danny having a great day. Thursday.
And Danny wants some bread.
Danny wants bread. So we're leaving the property and we are taking care of, there we go, vehicle business today. Yes, we are. Deb's got a little nick in her windshield and she's gonna go get that taken care of. And I'm going to go get my brakes checked. I'm gonna get brakes checked and my differential checked because I do a lot of towing. So, because I tow majority of the time that I drive my vehicle, you need to have that checked between 30,000 and 60,000 miles. Oh, there's our neighbor dogs. So, we're gonna go get that done.
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer.
So,
The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing ever will. 'Cause dreams are hard to kill. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere.
the forecast for the weather this winter is indicating it's going to be very cold in the Midwest. So I decided that I would probably start my fall and winter travels in the southeast and then make my way back to Florida. So I'm going to head over to Lollapalooza. I've already got my reservation. And then from Lollapalooza, I will head to Arizona for a little bit, maybe go see my sister again. I like to try, now that I'm traveling, I really like to go and visit her at least once a year if I can. Yeah. And now that I have 1,000 Trails membership, there is a 1,000 Trails campground right near my sister's home in Las Vegas. I can, although I know she wants me to park right in front of her house, I may still do that, but I may just, since I've already paid for the membership, and I may just stay there for a little bit. Depends on how things go during my route. It's very convenient, which I like a lot, to stay at my sister's because I could just let the dog run around the backyard. And then her and I can hang out. I love hanging out with my big sister. Something we never got to do when we were younger. We lost our parents when we were preteens. So we were separated and we didn't get a chance to hang out and do things together. So it's been really nice that we've been able to do this now as adults. Oh, I'm coming upon the troll again. Let's see if he's still there. There he is. There's the troll. So this is the thing. Okay? When you're in your hometown or a town that has great food, sometimes you just gotta indulge, you know what I'm saying? And life is too short to deprive yourself of the better things in life, such as Chicago pizza and a Chicago hot dog, just to mention a few things. So, that being said, I'm headed to Portillo's. Yeah, I think Deb's Van Venture is doing the same. We're synchronized. She went to go get her car fixed. I went to go get my car checked out. And I got a great report. Yep, I'm A-okay. My brakes are good for a long time. 70% left on my brake pads. And the steering and suspension, my shocks and struts, I had those checked. And they took a look at my differential, make sure I don't have any issues. Uh-oh, my bike just tipped over. So that's doing good. That's good. So I should be good to go. I shouldn't be having any trouble. Now it looks like the line's pretty long. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we got a long line at Portillo's. Here we go. Check that out. He's got a money changer on his belt. No shortage of change at Portillo's. They're still taking cash. The speed team. Yep, check it out. Money changer. Got up one side, keeping the sun out. And we're still getting a nice breeze. On the clam. There it is. Keeps it nice. Oh, having another great fire tonight. Missed blind view, but I'll watch the replay. Was spending time with my grandbabe. But so here I am sitting in my little screen-in house with my lights on. Yep, there's the highway traffic. But we're inside the screen, no bugs. Oh, here comes Deb's Van Venture. I'm in my jammies already. Yep, I'm a happy camper. Happy camper jammies. And Danny's in the house. I think she's pooped out from playing with my granddaughter Stella. So there's Penny. Hey Penny, you coming in? Oh, you want me to open it? Oh wait, I'll open it up. Hold on. Come on. It's just me. Danny's not here. Where is she? Where is she? She's in the house. Oh, here's your baby. Here's your baby. Want your baby? Here.
Girl soap company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years, and it means a lot. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome, and that's why I'm doing this.
I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.